क्या आप अपनी वेबसाइट में आइटम्स को एक नीट वे में डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हैं, या फिर अपनी कोई इमेज अपनी वेबसाइट में अपलोड करना चाहते हैं? तो आइए सीखते हैं HTML लिस्ट एंड हाउ टू इंसर्ट इमेज इन HTML in your website mainly. First, I am going to teach you how you can insert an image in your website. We are going to use img tag, which stand for image, src, which stand for source, alt, which stand for alternate. Src will be the source of the image. For example, I have inserted image in the same folder of HTML file, so I am going to write image.png. If you have inserted this image in another folder, for example, I am going to create a folder named image, and I am going to move this image into image folder. Now I have to mention full path of the image. For example, it is inserted in image folder, image, then name of the image, then in the alt, which stand for alternate, your text you want to display if there was any problem in loading the image. For example, I am going to insert image in the alt. Now you can see here image is loaded. If there was a problem in loading the image, the alt section will be executed. For example, image. Now image will not load because I have not provided the full part of the image. So let's see. As you can see here, image is not loading, but the alt section is executed. That's all for image. You can resize the image with the help of CSS, which I am going to tell you later on. Now I am going to teach about list. यहाँ पर HTML में मेनली 2 टाइप्स की लिस्ट होती हैं, एक तो अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट और एक ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट। अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट में जो आइटम्स हैं वो बुलेटेड पॉइंट के साथ डिस्प्ले होंगे, और जो ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट है उसमें नंबर के साथ होंगे, डिस्प्ले होंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट। ऑल ul, which stand for unordered list. We have to use another tag li, which stand for list item. It is used, this tag represent an single item in a that is included in a list. li apple, li mango, and whatever fruit you like most. Now I am going to show you the output of this. As you can see here, apple and mango are listed with a bullet point because of ul, which is stand for unordered list. Now I am going to tell you about ordered list. In this list, the items that are inserted in a list will display with a number. For example, list li banana, grapes, and etc. Now I am going to show you the output. As you can see here, banana and grapes are displayed with the number, which is because of ol, which stands for unordered list. Now for creating a comment, you have to first insert an angular bracket, then exclamation mark, then 2 dash hyphen. Now you can insert a comment in between these. For example, I am going to tell you, I am going to write the syntax for inserting image. img src path of the image, alt, alternate, alternate text, angular bracket close. Now for UL, there is a shortcut for creating a comment also. Like I have written, UL stand for unordered list. You can select this and then press Ctrl plus C KC, so it is converted into a comment, because there is a function because of VS Code. Now for same as for OL, OL stand for ordered list. For multi-line comment, you can just you can just press enter and type your comment. Li stand for list item. So that's all for today. I hope you